In this video, I will share 7 tips to avoid getting smile lines. 1. Avoid exposure to UV rays. Unfortunately, the sun's UV rays can speed up smile lines. That's why it's important to wear strong sunscreen anytime you plan on being outdoors for a long period of time. It's also a good idea to stay in the shade whenever possible. 2. Stay hydrated. Hydration plays a major role in maintaining the connective tissue you need to keep smile lines and wrinkles at bay. It's also a good idea to limit your consumption of diuretics, like caffeine and alcohol. Even if you're drinking 8 glasses of water a day, if you consume too much coffee or alcoholic beverages, you'll deprive your skin of the full hydrating benefits that water offers. 3. Moisturize. Just as you avoid consuming too much alcohol, it's also a good idea to avoid using cosmetic products that contain alcohol. These can actually dry out your skin. Ouch! 4. Don't smoke. Smoking can boost your odds of developing unwanted lines and wrinkles on your face because it involves constantly inhaling and exhaling smoke. This action, although you may not realize it, forms more grooves in the face that can eventually develop into lines and wrinkles. 5. Maintain a healthy diet. Consume foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and other types of fish. You should also try to eat foods that contain high amounts of antioxidants. These may include strawberries, blueberries, spinach, kale, and tomatoes, among many others. 6. Get enough sleep. Your busy schedule could make it difficult to get as much sleep as you need, but your body will thank you in the long run if you make an effort to catch 8 hours of rest every night. The fact that your skin will look better is an added bonus. Ouch. 7. Sleep on your back. Getting enough sleep is key to avoiding lines and wrinkles on your face. However, it's also important to realize that your sleeping position can play a role in how likely you are to develop these types of lines. Getting used to sleeping on your back instead is a key way to keep your face looking young. If you're unable to comfortably sleep in this position, at least switch to a very soft pillow. If you know any other tip to prevent smile lines, please share in the comment below.